Campaign Creator. Welcome to the FreshMail system. We are excited about your new adventure in email marketing. Let's start by showing you how to easily create an email campaign. After you have logged into your account, you will see the dashboard. This is where you will find the main menu. The dashboard is also where you will find drafts, campaigns that have not yet been sent. FreshMail gives you the possibility to save and exit your work at any time. You can come back to the drafts whenever you want to and edit them by simply clicking on the one you want to change. Further down, you will see the reports from your recent campaigns. On the dashboard, you can also check out what's new on our blog. To start creating your campaign, click the Creator button in the main menu, then choose Email Campaign. The first step is setting the parameters of your campaign. Remember that the subject and from name are the main factors that determine the open rate of your campaign. The subject is the line that will appear in the recipient's inbox. Remember that you only have a few seconds to attract their interest. The subject of your email has to be eye-catching, so make sure it will get attention. You can personalize the subject line and address the recipient by name. The from name will appear in the from column in the recipient's inbox. It can be a company's name, your name, or both. It is often the first element that recipients look at, so use a name that gains their trust, like the name of a specific person, not just the name of your company. The from email is the address from which you are sending your message. It will be visible to the subscriber of your email. If you want to use another domain that you used during the registration process, it has to be verified by the FreshMail system. You can do it by clicking the Verified Domain button next to the email address field. The verification form will open in a pop-up. You can also enhance your campaign by using the optimization tools. To learn more, watch the Optimization Tools guide. When you set all the parameters, click the Next button and go to the second step. Subscribers. This is where you will specify the recipients that you will send your campaign to. You can use an existing list of contacts or create a new list in FreshMail by adding it in one of two ways: by entering addresses manually or by importing them from a CSV, TXT, or XLS file. You can mark more than one list from your account. FreshMail automatically removes duplicate addresses that appear on multiple mailing lists so that your subscribers will not receive the same message twice. After you have specified the recipients of your campaign, click the Next button and go to the third step. Content. The next step is about how you want to prepare your content, and you have several options. You can upload a ready-made HTML template from your computer after compressing it. To do this, click the New Message button in the upper left corner and select Upload from your computer. You can add a template by using the Add File button or by dragging it into the window area. You can also upload a template from anywhere on the internet by selecting the Download from a URL option and then entering the URL of the site where the template you want to use is located. If you want to design a template from scratch, select the Design in Editor tab. You can use one of two template editors. In FreshMail Designer, you can create templates full of graphics using ready-made blocks. Watch our FreshMail Designer Guides videos to learn more. Using CK Editor, you can create simple emails with basic formatting options. You can also edit them in HTML. Finally, you can choose from among the templates available in our library. Just select one of the templates and customize it to your needs. When you have selected a template and prepared your content, you can go to the next step by clicking the Next button. Tests. The fourth step of the campaign creation process applies to testing. Remember that it is necessary to carry out tests in email marketing to ensure that you get the best possible results from your campaigns. The Code Inspector test ensures that your message was constructed properly. The test alerts you to any problems with the HTML code that could cause your message to display improperly and suggests possible solutions. To help ensure that your email will not be mistakenly classified as spam, we've created anti-spam tests. They allow you to check if your message is safe and will reach your recipients' inboxes. To run the tests, click the Perform New Test button. The analysis of your campaign consists of 2 stages. First of all, Spam Assassin identifies anything in your email that could cause it to be labeled as spam. The program assigns points to emails for every element that could be a potential problem for spam filters. Being given 5 or more points marks an email as spam. In the second part of the anti-spam analysis, you can also see if your message will reach inboxes in many of the most commonly used email services. Inbox tests let you see how your message displays in different email applications. This enables you to make any necessary coding or design changes before you send your campaign. To run the test, click the Perform New Test button. You have the opportunity to perform the test in the 3 groups of available webmail, desktop, and mobile email applications. Within each group, you can select the particular webmails and programs you are interested in and leave out the ones you don't need. Then, just click on Run the Test so the system can start getting the necessary screenshots. You can also test your campaign by sending a test message to yourself or up to 20 other people. Just enter the email addresses, separated by commas, and click the Send a Test Campaign button. Then check your inbox to see how the message appears. After your campaign has been tested, you can click the Next button to go to the 5th step. Advanced. This is where you can specify the email address to which your recipients will reply. Remember to use an email address that your recipients can reply to if they want. Using addresses like noreply@domain.com doesn't build trust among your subscribers. You also have to enter an address where you can receive confirmation that your campaign has been sent. This is also where you can enable other advanced options for your campaign if you wish. They are optional, so if you don't need them, you can skip this part. However, if you want to use them, watch the Campaign Creator Advanced Guide on our website to learn more. You can also arrange to get reports from your campaigns at a time that you choose. FreshMail will send the reports to you automatically after whichever time period you select. Enable the Auto Report Delivery option and decide when and to which address you want it sent. Now you can go to the next step by clicking the Next button. Delivery time. This is where you can set the sending time of the campaign. You can have your campaign sent as soon as possible, but remember that this does not necessarily mean the same moment you hit send. FreshMail sends large numbers of campaigns at once, so it is possible that there might be a slight delay before your messages are actually sent. You can also schedule when you want FreshMail to send your campaign. If you have a large database, you can, for example, set the start time for the campaign during the night, so in the morning, everyone on your subscriber list will have an email from you. Our data tells us that in the case of business-to-business communication, the best days for sending campaigns are the first 2 days of the work week. In business-to-customer communication, the best time is from Wednesday to Friday. The right time of day for sending your message depends on the kind of campaign you are sending. After setting the sending time, click the Next button to go to the last step before sending the campaign. On the last step of the Campaign Creator, you can once again check every element of the message you are about to send. To make sure that everything is okay, you can send a test campaign. If you want to change something, you can go back to any of the previous steps. If your campaign is ready and everything is okay, click the Send Campaign button. Congratulations! You've just created your first campaign. You can track its status on the dashboard and confirm that it has been sent, or see that it is in the queue to be sent. The moment your campaign is sent, you have access to feedback about the actions of your subscribers. Click the Reports tab and then the name of the campaign to see all the relevant statistics. Analyze them very precisely and use the results to optimize your future campaigns. Don't be afraid to try different things to see what works. Use all optimization tools available in the FreshMail system to make your campaign more effective. Good luck!